So to rest the front axle on the U1700 unimog, it's obviously top and bottom, you got your grease nipples. You want to pull these out, fit a grease nipple, punch the grease through, not too much, you don't want to hear it come out. Yeah, you just want to push it out of the seals, so don't overdo it. Grease nipples out, refit these, drive your truck forward or whatever, and roll the wheel and repeat. That's how you stop that creaking and grinding noise you get. Yeah, just make sure it's all like sort of clean. You don't want to put stuff through, but I'm out in the field right now.